has directed the Manipur Chief Secretary and several other authorities to submit an action-taken report regarding 6 missing Naga hostages by June 8. The petitioner's counsel, Advocate Dr. Julius Riamai, informed this to reporters. He said that the High Court order was issued by a division bench comprising Chief Justice M. Sundar and Justice Ahantyan Bimol during the hearing of a PIL, adding that the petition was filed by Naga Lawyers Association, Manipur President T. Mark Kafai. He said that the High Court's directive demands detailed status reports from several top administrative and security officials which include Manipur Chief Secretary, Commissioner Home, DGP, SP, Kangpokpi, SP of NIA, Imphal branch, and the Chief of Lailong Baipai to ensure a comprehensive investigation. Julius Riamai further maintained that all these parties are legally required to file their responses within June 8 deadline. The petitioner's counsel asserted that the Deputy Solicitor General of India formally informed the High Court that NIA had not yet received any formal intimation from the state government to take over the investigation. He noted that this directly contradicted the claim made by the state government, which had previously issued a press release claiming the case had already been transferred to the central agency.
The Honorable High Court of Manipur has taken up a PIL, a public interest litigation, regarding the 6 Nagas who were abducted from Lailon Wi-Fi village, Kangpokpi district. Until today, nobody knows their whereabouts. Nobody knows whether they are safe, whether they are alive or dead. So in this given circumstances, which is unprecedented, we filed the PIL here in the High Court of Manipur. The Honorable Chief Justice M. Sundar and Justice Ahantyan Bimol, they took up the matter. When they took up the matter, the Honorable Court directed the state government to file an action taken report, ATR, by Monday. What action have they taken till thus far? What did the state government do? Or what are the measures that have been taken till today? Because they have been abducted since 13 May 2026.